Hi, hello everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Engineering. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic is final with the inheritance. Here we're going to learn about final with the inheritance. The topics covered: what is final with the inheritance, common use of the final, benefits of using final with the inheritance program, and then the example explanation of the program. First we are going to know what is final with inheritance. The final keyword is used to prevent the changes through the inheritance. The final keyword used to prevent the changes through the inheritance. When a class is marked as a final, it cannot be changed. When a method is marked as the final, it cannot be overridden. When a variable is marked as the final, it cannot be changed once again. Okay, that means the final is fixed one. We cannot change it. We cannot inherit. We cannot overridden. Okay, if suppose we declare a variable as a final, we cannot change the value of the final variable. If suppose we declare a method as a final, we cannot override the method. If suppose we declare a class as a final, we cannot inherit the class. Okay, this is the basic of the final. This is the role of the final keyword. Final class, no other class can inherit from it. Already we said final class cannot be inherited. Okay, the final method prevents the overridden in the method derived classes. Okay, it's a prevent the overridden method in derived classes. The next one is final variable, acts like a constant. Okay, if suppose we declare a if we declare as a variable as a final, it's a constant one. Okay, it cannot be changed. Benefits, the benefits of the final inheritance. Okay, the first one is security. Okay, the first one is security because suppose we declare a variable, we cannot change it. Declare a method, we cannot inherit. We cannot overridden. If suppose it is a class, final class, it cannot be inherited. So it's have a more security. Okay, the next one is clarity. The next one is clarity. The another one is optimization. The next one is design control. Here I give a simple example program for the final inheritance. Okay. First I create a class vehicle. The class as the final. Okay. Before that, before the class keyword, I declare a final keyword. Okay. I put a final keyword. Okay. And then here I create a variable final int speed equal to 60. The variable also a final. Okay, the next one is the method, the final method, run method. It is also a final. Okay, the main class is and then I create a Java main class. The main method is public static void main. Vehicle. My class name is vehicle. I create an object for that class. Okay, here new keyword is used to allocate the space for the allocate the memory space for the data. Okay, and then I call a function run method. Okay, here I give a simple explain that program. Okay, already I explained that program, so don't need to. Okay. The class vehicle is marked as a final. Okay, in that program, the class vehicle is marked as the final. There is no other class can inherit. Okay, so if suppose I marked as a final class, we cannot inherit the class. Okay, if suppose and then I declare a function, I declare a method, add method, run method as a final, so we cannot override the method. We cannot override the method. And then the next one is the variable. The variable also declare as a final, so we cannot change the value of the variable. We cannot change the value of the variable. What going to understand what is mean by final? The final is a constant one. Okay, the final is a constant one. It give a more security for our data. It give more security for our data. Okay. I hope all you have understand the concept of final and the final with the inheritance concept. Okay. Thank you so much.